Okay, so this is how you install the sound effects. All right. Now you're going to go down to the dock, hit Finder, should open a Finder window, and then what you need to do here is go to the Home folder, which is Command Shift H. All right. Now you're in the Home folder, which is all the main folders that are used to organize everything in Apple's operating system. You may not have all these folders. All right, but you come up here to the named folder right here and you right click on it or just pass your mouse over it, click, right click or control click and go to the hard drive, Macintosh hard drive, okay? Then at that point you're going to go, I'm going to go and zoom in a bit, go into library, all right, library, zoom in again, and application support, I believe is the right, no I'm sorry, audio, go into audio, Apple Loops, right there, okay, Apple Loops. All right, and now in this part here is where you're going to drag the folder you downloaded. You shouldn't have anything in that folder, so what you do is you go and you take your sound effects folder, which thought I had just down there. Yeah, there it is. Now remember, you don't drag this in. This ain't going to get you anything. That's not going to work. You have to uncompress it by double clicking it, and then you'll end up with a folder like this, and you drag that into there, okay? And then you'll have all of these sounds ready to go. Now you go back to Final Cut Pro, and I think I have something loaded. Yeah, I've got my daughter's show loaded. So that's not going to show up here yet. You have to quit and then relaunch it. Okay, like that. And as it relaunches, it's going to load those new sound effect files. Thank you. And it takes a moment. There's the sound effects link right here. And it did not work. Oops. Oh, there it is. Okay, so it just took a moment, and then there's the sound effects folder, and everything's right there. And you go to the sound effects folder, that's all those sounds. And I have other sounds in here too, but that's it. And then when you need something, let's say you want to add a sound effect here, you can just take a whale sounds. That'll be an interesting addition. Drop it there.
Margot. Yeah. Like he still views her as just like a mission at this point. Like,
Yeah, he's just
Obviously not very funny though. All right, but that's how you do it. So you just drag that folder in there, quit Final Cut Pro after you've done it, restart it, go to this link here, and that's it. And you'll have access to those sounds. Go Texans.